Right, people, doing an educational post on gas cylinders. So let's have a look-see. Alright, so today we're going to talk about gas cylinders. And no, not the type of gas cylinders that the bean comes in and it gives you the gas afterwards, you know what I mean? So the difference can be quite explosive, if you can imagine. Alright, so here's an example of a legally filled gas cylinder. So this one is from Total Energies, aka Total Gas. So what I'm talking about when I talk about legally filled and illegally filled is on this cylinder you can see now it is a Total Energies cylinder, as you can see there. And then the seal is also a Total Energies seal. This is how you know that this bottle has been filled legally. All the precautions has been taken, bottle's been tested and checked, and it is filled to capacity. It's not overfilled, which is extremely dangerous, which I will touch on a different video. It is filled to where it should be filled. So a gas bottle, it's only filled 80% because you need that 20% for expansion and contraction, expand, contract of gas inside the vessel. With temperatures, gas expands and contracts, a lot like a corrugated sheeting in the sun. Great! So that's what a legally filled bottle looks like, with the same seal on the same branded bottle. So they have to correspond, otherwise it's a rogue bottle. It's not filled legally, it's filled illegally. For example, this one right here. As you can see, it's got a different seal on it that doesn't correspond with the canister. Righto guys, so now you know. Keep it real, keep it safe, check those bottles, and look out for the next video that's going to follow with overfilled bottles, which is extremely dangerous. You don't want that. Be blessed!